Hello, fabulous learners. Welcome back to our creative journey. So, what we are going to tell you today? Yes, today we are diving into the art of giving smooth curve to your patterns, whether you are designing a half sun shape or whimsical semicircle. I have got some nifty tools to share with you. So, buckle up and let's explore. I have created this sweatshirt and now I am trying to make a half sun shape over it or semicircle, whatever you like to call it. I have created this shape using polygon tool and now I want this edge shape to have some curve. Here at 2D window toolbar, we have various tools that can help us to do the same, and I am going to tell you about all one by one. First one is Edit Pattern tool. So, to use this, you have to select the point that you wish to convert. Right click over it and at the last of the popped up option, you will find the right one for you. Convert to curve point. Pro tip: hold down the shift key to select multiple points at once and repeat the step that I mentioned. PS: don't forget to right click only on the points, otherwise your efforts will go in vain. You might notice that the shape has so many corners even after that, but it's because of the particle distance which is higher for that particular pattern. For this, you can simply select it and change its particle distance from property editor. 10 will be nice value if we are not rendering now. But if you are, then you should go for 5, 3 or lesser value as required. Now, let's go back so that I can tell you about rest of the options. Next is Curvature tool. This one works online. Right now it's only highlighting by blue color, but when you will start working on one, the color will turn yellow. The drawback of this option is that you have to edit all the lines manually, but that's its speciality as well, which lets you to create your favorite design. And yes, the role of particle distance will always be there, even if you have curved the shape properly. So, don't forget to change that later. But if you are thinking that you can make it curvy by just changing its particle distance, then, hey buddy, you are wrong. Particle distance won't magically curve your shape. Fix the design first, then sprinkle particle distance like a fairy dust. Next up is Point Curvature tool. This one looks same as Curvature tool, but with curves you have points now. So you can edit the shape more precisely as you wish. Now the last option is Smooth Curve. To use this tool, you have to select the area by selecting 2 points. Then you have to select the side you wish to curve. Now pull the line that you have just made to make your desired curve. Let me change its particle distance too. Now if you wish, you can edit this shape furthermore by selecting Point Curvature tool. But before doing anything, you have to add 1 point to its tip. Otherwise, it might change the shape like this. So, be careful. Our sun is ready. Which method or tool do you adopt? Let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for joining me to this journey, and hey, if you are hungry for more creative wisdom, hit that subscribe button. I promise I won't bite. Lastly, if you are craving kitchen magic, check out the link below. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and catch you in the next video. Bye!